how to create custom match in Fortnite. Hey guys, if you want to create your own match on Fortnite, it's really simple to do. Inside, I am on the fortnite.com/news. This is the article on how you can go ahead and create your own private game. Basically, it's as simple as following these steps. All you have to do is to go ahead and click on the custom match button right here. And right after, you will be able to get your own custom match key. So you want to go ahead and click on the custom option. From here, you can just go ahead and customize the custom match the way you want to. And right after, if you click on start, you can then go ahead and see that it is matchmaking. Queued player is one, which is only ourselves. And from here, we have the ability to click on the start match option. If you go ahead and read on this article, ensure you are on the correct server region. You can go ahead and see that on your system settings on Fortnite. Select the desired game mode in the bottom right corner of your screen. Select the custom match button located at the bottom right of the selected game mode screen. Enter the password that you would like to use as I've mentioned earlier. And right after, you can now go ahead and let others join your private key by entering the password that you have inserted right here. If this video has been helpful, please leave us a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next time. Thank you.